Hey everybody, it's David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Count them. 1, 2, 2 minutes. Let's go. Today's tip is good news and it's bad news, all sort of wound up in this one tight little juicy tough love package. Today's tip is this: you do not have a choice. This in actuality is not a free country for you, at least not yet. If you want freedom, that will require that you have to have 1, a great attitude, 2, laser focus, 3, unwavering commitment, 4, giant goals, and these are not options. Unless, of course, you're good where you're at, then by all means, please continue to enjoy your uncertainty, your fear, and your doubt. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Hey, for more information about our brand new coaching program within Cardone University, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching, or shoot an email out to me, david@grantcardone.com. Happy to get you all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. And be great, because nothing else pays.